Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency on Webull. First, you'll need to open a Webull account and complete the necessary identity verification process. Once your account is set up, fund it using a bank transfer or another supported deposit method. After your funds are available, simply navigate to the dedicated crypto trading section within the Webull application to begin your journey. Now that you're in the crypto section, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the extensive list available. Next, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Finally, enter the dollar amount you want to invest or the exact quantity of crypto you wish to acquire. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the order details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your order will be placed. It's crucial to regularly monitor your cryptocurrency portfolio's performance, as market conditions can change rapidly. Always remember to understand the inherent risks associated with the volatile nature of crypto markets before making any investment decisions. For more advanced strategies, consider setting stop-loss or take-profit orders to help manage your risk and secure potential gains. Also, research various cryptocurrencies to diversify your portfolio, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. And hey, to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.